Hello everyone. So today I was doing some work on ChatGPT. Now I have been trying ChatGPT, although I'm a bit late, but I have been trying it, and it is of course interesting. You can do a lot of wonderful things, and I think you have to basically figure out how to use it for your own use case, for your own work. I think I'm still trying to figure out where I will fit it in what I do. So far, my experience of ChatGPT is mostly me just being curious, and that is it. I don't really use it for doing anything useful for my actual work. But because I use org mode, because I use Emacs, I do keep an eye on new packages that are getting released, and I try to follow a few people who are proper Emacs org mode geeks. And today I actually noticed this package called org AI, and it is definitely interesting because what you can do, I believe, using this package. I need to explore it a bit more, but what you can do, to give you a very simple answer, you can actually interact with ChatGPT, and you can actually ask questions. So if you install it, I believe you can install it from your Melpa, and once you install it, you can actually do something like this. So you can actually ask a question. Basically, it will basically insert, or you can actually use these begin underscore AI blocks, and then ask a question. Basically, type in your question and then press Control C, just execute it, and then Emacs will show you the response. In theory, of course, it is. I don't really know how this was built, but I guess it is using ChatGPT APIs. Not ChatGPT, yeah, ChatGPT APIs, and I will probably explore the code a bit more. But I thought I'll probably share it with you. I think people like us who spend majority of or if not majority but significant amount of their time within Emacs, and of course chat gpt is like the new thing that will hopefully or not hopefully, but that will I guess, even if you want it or not, it will become popular and people will use it a lot more. Having a mode within Emacs actually makes it a lot more useful, because going to the browser and then typing in the question, when you have the results within your Emacs, then I think you can do a lot of wonderful things with it, because it is the output of the question or the answer that you're looking for, and you have it within your buffer, and it is actually quite amazing. Imagine that you have a code snippet. I will try it out, and I will let you know if I like this package. I mean, I like it, but because I don't really use Chat GPT, I mean, I want to use it. I want to basically, I'm basically trying to figure out where I can fit it in whatever I do, because I do spend a lot of time looking for information online. It could be related to maybe some configurations related to LaTeX, or maybe if I'm trying to write some code and I'm trying to figure out how I can solve a problem. So of course I do search online, and because ChatGPT, the answer that you get from it is not just links. It is basically the answer that you can straight away hopefully use. And I know it is not perfect because I did try it for some Groovy scripts. It works, but it is not really accurate. And because I do a lot of work, because I'm an Atlassian consultant, I do a lot of work in this domain. I have a lot of information online. When I asked ChatGPT about few things about Jira, it actually gave me the results which I shared somewhere. So it is all right. The thing is that when you can do it within Emacs, things can change, and hopefully I will be able to use ChatGPT. So I thought I'll probably share it with you. Do give it a try, and I will also try it a bit more and make maybe another video. All right, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.